In today's video, we will be talking about how to install necessary components in your machine to be able to start coding in Python and get to see the results. Throughout the video, I will show you how it is done on different operating systems, namely Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. You will find the OS-based tutorial for each OS on a separate video. Links to these videos will be in the description below, so let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on Windows operating system. In order to do so, first head over to Python's official homepage www.python.org/downloads. Inside the downloads page, go over to the Downloads tab, hover over to Windows, and download Python 3.11.0. Right? I have already downloaded, so I'm going to just install it. As you can see, we have here Python's latest executable installation file. Let's open. As you can see, the installation page is popped up, and we have been provided with two options, namely Install Now and Customize Installation. If you choose Installation Now, as it gives hint here, the size includes IDE, pip, and documentations, create shortcuts and file associations. And then you have the Customize Installation option. If you choose here, you can choose to be specific which component you want to install or not to install. So I highly suggest you to keep this pip section checked because this pip section is the one who helps you install external libraries and modules in the later part of your programming career. And they go back here, and another one important thing you shouldn't forget is to add this Python executable file to your path, right? So let's go over and click Install Now. I'm going to speed up this process. Alright, now the installation is over. As you can see, it says setup was successful. Now close this window and type Python on the search bar. And as you can see, we have a couple of new components which we didn't have on our machine. First one is this app, Python app, and the later one is a documentation folder file. And this one is a kind of text editor for the Python. Yeah. Now, I want you to open your command line by typing cmd and open it. And now let's type Python. As you can see, now we are in a Python environment. We instantiated Python application, Python 3.11.0. The first command I'm going to teach you is a print command. So the print is Python's built-in function. So it allows you to pass messages as an output, right? So let's print out our message. So type print inside the parentheses, either double quotes or single quotes. Let's type I will subscribe to this channel because why not? Yeah. So now let's hit enter. I will subscribe to this channel because why not? Alright, awesome. Now you have learned how to code your first program in Python. Congratulations. It is time for you to get all crazy and hack everyone. And another tip I want to show you is now again type Python and open this IDLE, right? So as I have mentioned, this is kind of text editor for the Python, so you can type here what we have typed before. For example, I like this video, right? And I like this video. Oh, we forgot the O, right? So this was the active interface for the Python. So you type a command one line and it spits out the result. So it's not ideal for writing long code. So in order to do so, you just go over to the file and create new file and save this file. Let's save it as, for example, test, and choose Python files as an extension and save it, and our name, our file name, to test.py. So let's say print I will smash the like button. Okay, now let's save it. Let's save this and say save, yes, and exit it out. Okay, and now again let's type command prompt and let's type Python. Now let's head over to our desktop, because our folder or our file is on the desktop. So we are on the desktop now. Yeah. Sorry. No, this is Windows. Sorry. I'm going to let's type Python test.py, right? Because our folder, our file is in here. So using Python application, let's execute this folder, right? Hit enter, and as you can see, I will smash the like button. Awesome. Now you can start and try out and start tracking everything, and good luck. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. If you prefer to install your Python to different kind of operating system, make sure to check out other videos. Links to those videos will be in the description. Stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed.
No luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find